All right, welcome back to our CalFresh Enrollment Party document series. In this video, we'll be covering the two different types of study lists that you'll be able to submit to the county as proof of enrollment at the university. Before we continue, if you haven't watched the first video in our series yet, we highly recommend that you do so before continuing on with any of the other videos. But with that, let's move on to the study list. So again, there are two different ways you'll be able to submit proof to the county. The first is by downloading the printer-friendly version of your most recent study list off of Student Access, and the second will be taking two screenshots of your degree works. The first at the very top containing your personal information, the second towards the bottom containing your in-progress classes. One very important thing to note is that you are not able to use your WebReg as proof of enrollment. Unfortunately, the WebReg screenshot does not contain your name in it, and that is ultimately what the county needs to determine whether or not you're enrolled at UCI. Another thing to quickly note specifically for graduate students. Some graduate programs may not have access to these menus, particularly over the summer. Some common examples are medical students and law students. And so we'll go over what to do in our videos for graduate students. So please make sure to look through the additional videos that we have set aside specifically for grad students. But with that, we're going to go through a very quick student access tutorial. Because of how short this tutorial is, we don't have any written instructions, but if you do need assistance, please feel free to reach out to us at calfresh@uci.edu. We'd be happy to help. With that, you'll want to just look up UCI Student Access, or you can type in the link that we have included in our slide deck to reach Student Access. Afterwards, it will prompt you to log in using your UCI Net ID credentials. I did already log in earlier today, and so because of that, it did automatically log me into my Student Access. From here, we're going to start with the study list. So you're going to want to go over here to the top left-hand corner and go to your most recent study list. Now, if you are currently applying in the summer and you are already enrolled for fall quarter classes, please make sure to use the fall quarter classes even if the fall hasn't begun, since the county officially considers that as being enrolled for the upcoming academic year as well. Once you find the applicable study list, so for this example, I'll be using my spring quarter study list. You'll want to click here where it says printer friendly, and it'll open up this nice convenient page right here containing your name, the program you're enrolled in, and all the different classes that you're taking. Please make sure that your total unit count is above half-time. The county does require that students be above half-time status, but if everything looks good, you can print this page as a PDF. Everything is good to go. The second option is going to be using DegreeWorks, also located on your Student Access. So once you click your DegreeWorks, you'll notice first here at the very top again, the summary of your information. You'll need to take your first screenshot of just this box. You didn't need to include anything else. That's all good to go. For the second screenshot, unfortunately, my DegreeWorks does not include the in-progress classes at the moment. However, if you return to our slide deck, you will see here that this is roughly what it should look like, minus the blur. With that, that's all of the documents undergraduate students will need to apply for our upcoming enrollment parties. If you are a graduate student, there are going to be additional documents that you need to gather, so please make sure to look through the remainder of this playlist to make sure that you get all of the different documents that you'll need. If you're an undergraduate student, thank you for watching through these videos. We hope to see you at one of our enrollment parties.